The markets are headed for another busy week next week. I think there will be a further rally in the markets. The markets will continue their rally upwards. However, I think the gains are going to be limited. Market will climb further, but I would imagine that the mood is going to be somewhat cautious given that the markets have climbed so much already. With that, I think Bitcoin will also climb further. Again, there's going to be some tempering of the mood, especially since yesterday Bitcoin did actually take a bit of a dive. There was some volatility in Bitcoin. So I would imagine Bitcoin to rebound from those lows, but it would not rise any further over 118,000, I would imagine. Oil prices went up during the course of last week, but then they dipped again. So I think oil prices will dip further. At this point, I think there will be a bit of a dip in the oil prices, but then they will go back up again, especially given the geopolitical instability that we have ongoing at present. The US dollar will continue its decline. It has been on the decline. It has tried to pare some of its losses, but I think on the whole, as the markets rally, the US dollar will show some volatility. So on the whole, next week I would imagine the markets to rally further, but not a lot. There will be some volatility, but I can tell you right now that there will be a lot of dip buying. So be ready to buy the dip. That's one thing. Second thing, Bitcoin will rally, so will gold. So be ready to go long on those, and you should have decent gains there. Oil prices will have some dips, but again, I think given the geopolitical uncertainty, there will be a rally in oil prices as well. So be ready to rally to invest and go long on oil as well, and you should be able to make some decent gains. These are the trends so far, but we will be back with you next week for more. Hope you have a wonderful weekend, and we will see you next week again.